When you know the words to this song, sing along.
Sing along.
Oh no, honey, did you just get a sing along? They'll give you a lyric and you have to continue singing the lyric they'll give you, or else. And I'm bad.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still want to party.
Honey, you got it. You're safe. Oh no.
Mommy, what's wrong?
I just got to sing along. I'm super shy. I don't know.
Mommy, you have to sing along.
I'm super shy.
Mommy, please.
Mommy!
I love you, Grandma. I'll see you after school.
Sing along. Oh no, Grandma, did you just get a sing along? You have to sing along or else. It's a cruel summer with you. You got it, Grandma. Of course, I'm a Swiftie. When you know the words to the song. When you know the words to the song. Sing along. Sing along. You can't love anyone, because that would mean you had a heart. You're safe. I knew you would get it, sweetheart. Grandma, I'm heading to school now. Stay safe. You're all I have left after Mom died. I can't lose you too. Don't worry, sweetheart. I'm not going anywhere. Class, turn to chapter 2 in your books. Sing along. Oh no, I just gotta sing along. Got a white t-shirt? It's got a white boy on my roster! I guess math class is going to be canceled today. Bro. That joke you made in math class was extremely insensitive, Derek. Go cry about it, snowflake. Grandma, is everything okay? Sweetheart, I just gotta sing along. Hurry, Grandma, read the lyric to me now! What it is? The song lyric is what it is. What it is. Sweetheart, don't worry, I know the answer. You know it's not the same what it is. No, Grandma, that's As It Was by Harry Styles. Goodbye, sweetheart. I love you. Grandma. Why are you crying? Your grandma was old anyways. She's all I had left, Derek. Oh no, sing along. Karma is. Did you just get a sing along? I did. The words are karma is. Come on, give me a hint. You must know something. Come on, please help me. Karma is. Brianna, what's wrong? My grandma just passed away. When you know the words to the song, sing along. Sing along. When did it?
Deme?
Good morning. It's time to take your medicine.
Bombastic side eye.
No, Miss Applewood. There'll be no side-eyeing today. Now take your medicine.
You really thought you ate that?
No, I don't. But you need to eat your medicine.
No, I don't want my medication. I want girl dinner.
After you take your medicine.
Girl dinner.
No, please don't start singing again.
Girl dinner. Girl dinner.
All right, unplug your life support. Miss Applewood, you soiled yourself. Come on, let's go and get you cleaned up.
No, I'm in my pooping my pants era.
What happened to your clean girl era? Let's bring that back.
Clean girl aesthetic.
Exactly. Now let's go get washed up.
You're giving me the ick.
You're giving me the ick because you smell so bad. Where'd you get that? What are you eating?
My husband. Today we will be making our last girl dinner.
Miss Applewood, are you on your phone again? Your grandchildren don't want you to have too much screen time.
Mind your business, Susan! What is our dessert? Moldy muffins. Yes, that's my favorite food. I need my glasses. Cake? No. Too sweet. Need some mold on it. Pizza? No. Too cheese. Too much cheese! No! Yes. Toenail clippings. What's my drink? Wash it all down with the 7-Up. Good. Girl dinner. Hummus? Delectable. Red olives, alright. No, I'm not taking my vitamins.
Miss Applewood, you need to take your vitamins.
No, I told you I'm not taking my vitamins, Susan.
See, this is why I told you to stop yelling so much.
I don't yell. Anyways, scrumdiddlyumptious.
Miss Applewood, your grandchildren are here to see you.
Tell them to go home, I'm busy.
You're not busy.
I'm trying to see what kind of dog I am. Today I will be seeing who has a crush on me. 6'5" could climb that like a tree.
Miss Applewood, what did you just say?
No one's talking to you, Susan. Bartender, I don't know because I'm a material girl. He doesn't make that much money. Cancer, oh, he's a 10 out of 10 in looks.
No one would ever have a crush on you, Miss Applewood, because you're not a very nice lady.
That's not true, Susan. I have a husband. Now, what is this filter? I'm a fan. Susan! Susan!
Why are you spinning?
I don't know, but make it stop!
Everyone, here are your soulmate heart lockets. Only your soulmate will have the key to your heart, and only you will have the key to their heart. Jake is going to be your soulmate for sure. You guys are made for each other.
You guys really think so?
Hey, Brianna, do you think I could see if we're soulmates? Ew, Nerdy Nathan? Imagine your soulmate is Nerdy Nathan?
No, Nathan, there's no way you're my soulmate. You're a nerd.
That was a little harsh. Here's your test back, Brianna. No way, you got 100%. You're smart.
No.
Brianna, are you a nerd now? You should quit cheerleading and join the chess club with Nerdy Nathan.
Thanks a lot, Nathan. Jake, it's time to see if we have the key to each other's hearts.
I really hope you're my soulmate. You're the hottest girl in the school.
And what else?
That's it, you're hot. Nothing else matters, babe.
I guess.
Does it fit?
Brianna, I like you. Ew, Timmy! Ugh! Why did I just get money? Mommy, today at school, when Timmy said he liked me, I got money.
Honey, that's because every time someone has a crush on you, you get money.
So you're saying I could be rich?
Hey girl, do you want to go to the mall after school?
I can't, I'm broke.
How are you broke? Just go get boys to like you.
I don't know how to get boys to like me.
It's easy. Just do the bend and snap method.
Bend and snap method?
Drop something on the floor and go to pick it up.
Hey boys.
Don't talk to us.
Oops.
Whoa!
I got it.
Bro, I caught that on video.
That bend and snap method of yours really works. I'm making bank.
It's because of this. Look, the video the boys took of you went viral.
No way!
Uh-oh, Brianna? Uh-oh, Brianna? There's a new video. You might want to see this.
Oops. Whoa. I got it.
He said it's giving boys the ick. When someone crushes on you, you get money. But if you give them the ick, you lose it.
But it's not fair. I didn't fart, and I don't really look like that. No, I've almost lost all of my crushes. Does it say who posted that video?
It was Jake.
Jake!
Hey, Farty.
Chad, where's Jake?
I'm not telling you. Look, it's Farty Pin.
Jake! Jake, take the video down. It's making me lose all my money and my crushes.
I'm not taking the video down because I don't want you to have any crushes.
Why not?
Because I'm in love with you.
Huh? Huh?
Oh my. Someone made another edit of you.
Huh?
Oh my, someone made another edit of you. It's Farty Pin.
What the? Who even took that video?
I took it. I saw you standing there so lovely, and I just couldn't help myself.
Timmy, you still have a crush on me?
Brianna, marry me, please. Just give me a chance. Come on, let's get out of here. Hey, are you all right? They were a little crazy.
Yeah, I'm fine. Maybe having so many crushes isn't that great.
Don't worry. I'll protect you. Brianna, did you see that new edit of you? You must have lots of new crushes now.
Yeah, I did. I have enough money to go with you to the mall after school now.
Hey, Brianna, I really enjoyed spending time with you today. I really like you. Do you think maybe we could go on a date sometime?
Jake, I've had a crush on you for years. But when you tried to destroy my image, that gave me the ick. I got a nose bleed. Why is it blue?
Oh no, you're one of them. Leave immediately.
But why?
Leave!
But Mom! It's spreading! Emily, I'm so scared my blood is blue and it's spreading and I don't know what to do.
You're one of them. Stay away from me!
I'm so scared. Does anyone know what's happening to me?
Teacher, her blood is blue. She's transforming. Stay right there. I'm calling the police.
No, I'm leaving. It won't stop spreading.
There she is. We found her. Get her!
No! What is happening to me?
Hello, dear. Don't be alarmed. I'm one of you.
What's happening to me? Why am I turning blue?
You're transforming, but don't be afraid. We are able to cover it up and live as normal functioning members of society.
There, it's covered up. But may I ask what exactly I'm transforming into?
You are one of the few chosen to transform in a rare breed of superhuman.
Superhuman? But I don't understand. Why are people afraid of us? Where did she go?
I haven't seen you before. Are you new?
Yeah, I just transferred here.
You should totally come have lunch with us.
Yeah, I'd love to. It's so good. I love chocolate.
You have something above your lip.
Oh, let me get that.
Your skin, it's blue. Do you know what time it is? You're an hour late for school.
Look, I know, it's just... What's this?
It's okay, honey. Just take your time and go to school now, okay?
Okay. I can't believe I have a test.
Hey, watch it.
I'm so sorry.
You are a pathetic excuse for a human being. Actually, you know what? It's kind of my fault. You were in a rush and I was in your way. I'm so sorry about that.
This is so weird. Look, I'm so sorry I'm late.
Due to your lateness, you will not be permitted to write the test. You know what? I don't usually do this, but I'll let you write the test.
Yes! Whatever this thing is, I'm loving it. Hey, Jake, how was the test?
Not good. I probably failed.
Really?
Yeah. You look very beautiful today.
I do?
You do. Anyways, I'll see you around.
Wait!
What did you need to tell me? One moment. I just need to call my girlfriend real quick. It's really important.
Yeah, of course. Go ahead.
I can't believe he broke up with me.
He did? I mean, he did?
Yeah, he did. But he's a jerk. I should just move on.
Yeah, good idea. Hey, I heard about your breakup. I'm so sorry.
That's okay. We needed to finally end it.
Why would it say that?
Say what? Hey, did you by chance want to go on a date with me later tonight?
Yeah, of course. This restaurant is amazing.
I know, it's the best in town.
Why is that an option again?
Do you think I could maybe give you a kiss?
Yeah, sure.
Our date last night was amazing.
Yeah, it was... I have to go.
What? Why?
I'm sorry.
Hey, are you okay? You left in such a hurry.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Again, there's no other options?
What are you talking about?
Just stay away from me.
Why are you avoiding me?
I want to break up. We're breaking up, so just leave me alone, okay?
Wait.
Are you okay? You seem really nervous today.
Hey, look, I'm sorry about what happened with you and Jake, okay? It's my fault you broke up.
What?
I have this thing where I can decide actions people make, and I chose for you guys to break up, and now it's giving me the worst options ever. I'm so sorry.
I think you should go home and rest.
What? Only one? He's so innocent. I love him. Two at once? It's okay. It's okay. I am not judging. Not judging. Three at once? When we finally meet, him and I are gonna have a little chat about this one. My soulmate's body count is 6. I mean, it's not that bad. It could be worse.
That's horrible. Absolutely crazy.
Is that crazy? How much is your soulmate's body count?
0. 0?
Calm down, guys. It's 2021. There's nothing wrong with being a little promiscuous.
Their body count isn't how many they've been with, it's how many they've killed.
What? I can't believe it. I can't believe my soulmate is a killer.
Calm down. Just breathe. You'll probably never even have to meet him.
You know, it's honestly offensive that the universe thinks I belong with somebody like that.
Let's get our mind off things. Let's watch TV. Breaking news. The Cheerios bandit is on the loose.
What kind of name is that? The Cheerios Bandit?
He already has over 10 bodies. Could that be him? Your soulmate?
I need some fresh air. I think I'm gonna throw up. There's no way. There's no way the Cheerios Bandit could be my soulmate. Who are you?
Come with me.
It's time for the big reveal. What did I get?
You got gold.
Gold? I knew it. I was born for fame. Okay, show me yours.
What did I get?
You got gold too! Oh my god, we are so lucky.
Girl, did you hear they're looking for a girl with a pink mark? They say she's the long-lost princess.
What? No way.
The prince was also given a pink mark. There's only 2 people within the whole kingdom with a pink mark.
You know, gold never really suit me, but marrying a prince sure will. Hello, sir. I'm here to see the prince.
Nobody sees the prince.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, ma'am, I'm so sorry. Please come with me right away.
Of course.
You're so beautiful, just as I expected.
I mean, you too. You're handsome, I mean, not beautiful. Well, you are beautiful, but...
I get what you mean. Well, you better get home and rest. Our wedding's tomorrow.
Yeah, you're right.
I now pronounce you Prince and Prince. Wait, she's a liar.
Emily?
Who's that?
That's Emily. She's my best friend.
Her mark is fake. She's not the real princess. I am.
But Emily, your mark was gold.
I covered it because I was scared of being royalty. But I can't sit back and watch you lie any longer.
Is this true? Both of you are coming with me till we figure this out.
No! Wait!
Mr. Strawberry! I love...
Stop! Don't say I love you. Honey, it's time you know. When you say I love you to someone who doesn't love you back, you'll lose all your memory. That's why I only say I love you to Daddy and my children, because they're the ones I know that love me back.
Good morning, Mom.
Who are you? Where am I? What am I doing here? What is this place?
Mom, do you remember anything?
I'm your mom?
You lost your memory. Dad, something's going on with Mom. She doesn't remember anything. Did she say I love you to anyone?
To me, last night. I'm sorry, but I lost feelings for your mother.
So it's your fault. You don't love Mom anymore and she lost her memory?
It's not what I intended to happen. Truthfully, I met another woman. But don't worry, I love you. You're my daughter. Where am I? Who are you? Who am I?
Dad?
I love you. You're my daughter. Where am I? Who are you? Who am I?
Dad? Dad, you lost your memory? That means I don't love...
Open up. We're the memory police.
The memory police are here?
Who's that?
Mom! Mom, please, you have to remember something. The memory police are here.
I'm your mom?
Yes, that's all you have to say.
Open up.
The door's open. Come in.
Are all memories intact here?
Of course. Who are you?
I'm your mom?
See?
What is this place? I don't know where I am. We've got a memory loss. Take him away.
Goodbye, Dad. Mom, I have to go to school now. Just stay safe and don't do anything until I come home. I love... No, I can't say it. Of course you wouldn't love me. I'm a stranger to you.
I love you.
How do you know that word?
Babe, there you are. I think it's time we say the L word.
No, I don't want to say it. I've already lost someone because of that word.
Don't worry. You don't have to say it. I'll say it. I love...
No, don't say it. I
love you. Who are you? Where am I? I'm scared. We've got a memory loss. Take him away.
It's Mom. Mom? She has no memory left. How would she know how to use a phone?
Did you just say your mom has no memory? How is she not taken away yet?
No, she has her memory. I was just joking. Mom, I came running back from school. Is everything okay? Are you okay?
I'm your mom?
I think you called by mistake.
Memory police, open up.
Come in.
We're taking your mother.
No, you can't. She's all I have. Take me with her.
Your memories are intact.
I love you.